My name is Ken Mulreed. I'm a chief engineer for a commercial real estate property. Pretty much do all the maintenance for the high-rise itself. I had a reverse total shoulder replacement done by Dr. Paul Allegra. My symptoms for 2 years leading up to the surgery was sharp pain and discomfort, impossible to sleep. My whole quality of life was it was in a very bad place. Physically and mentally too. Sitting in that situation with a level 9 pain, I decided to seek out Dr. Vason, who did my surgery 23 years ago. He did a shoulder cleaning, which got me 23 years of life from this present shoulder. So the follow-up was with Dr. Allegra, who did the replacement. As I got older, I kind of fade away from the free weights, and I went to just push-ups. I was doing 600 push-ups a day, 7 days a week, and I think that really led to the deterioration of the shoulder, especially the back part of the shoulder. The cup was very worn. That's what kind of led us to this decision to go with the reversal, because it was better for my body and the condition of that shoulder. Going in, there was a lot of question. I didn't know what to expect. Once we got through the procedure, I think the hardest part of that was really getting through the anesthesia. I really didn't feel well for about 2 weeks, but after that, I started my PT and I felt better pretty much every day. Of course, I still had all the inflammation post-surgery. It was something I could live with. Prior to that, the pain I could not live with. Sort of leading up to this decision to go with the replacement surgery, I attended PT for about 2.5 months just to sort of work on strengthening the small muscles and helping sort of create that range. I had pretty decent range, but it was something I definitely felt was very important just to condition my body and sort of prepare it for that surgery itself. So it's been 8 weeks post-surgery. There is some limitations, laterally, but as far as my range itself, I'm very happy with. The pain is gone. I don't have that pain any longer. That was a really big plus. My lateral movement is something I'm working on. That was probably will be my greatest challenge. I really couldn't even make the attempt because the pain was too sharp. It's not something I don't think anyone should live with. Certainly your quality of life, sort of tank it. You need this just to help you do everyday things. Carrying anything, I couldn't carry anything with my right arm. My right shoulder was useless to me. I couldn't do any physical task with using that right shoulder, and I can today. I can say it was the right decision for me. I feel 100% better. I would love to get back to weight training. We're working towards that, so I'm in that second phase of physical therapy, so we're just working on muscle strength, just getting the muscles to fire off now. I admire Dr. Allegra's confidence. I was a little concerned, but the guy really came through. He did an excellent job. He was very upfront about the procedure itself and things to look for, things I might experience, potential nerve issues that could arise. So I pretty much was well informed as far as any concerns outside of the surgery. But it all went so well. He's a really personable guy, nice guy to work with. I'd recommend him. I'm feeling very grateful for this surgery. I feel it's been a success, and I'm hearing so many positive things from my therapist. So I'm excited and looking forward to retirement.